Hello curious minds. Welcome back to Curiosity Chronicles, the place where curiosity meets knowledge today. We're setting our sights on an intriguing topic that's causing quite a stir in the world of agriculture. We're talking about biochar. Now, if you're wondering what biochar is and why it's making waves, you're in for a treat. Biochar is a type of charcoal used in farming to enhance soil fertility and boost crop productivity. But its benefits don't stop there. It's also championed for its ability to improve soil health, making it a true game changer in the world of agriculture. So whether you're a seasoned farmer or a green thumb in the making, today's discussion is bound to pique your curiosity. So make sure you've hit the subscribe button, giving us a like, and rang that notification bell. Get ready to take your farming game to the next level. Our first key point: improved nutrient retention. Biochar, an agricultural superhero, works in multiple ways to improve nutrient retention in the soil, thus benefiting the crops. But how, you ask? Let's dive into the science behind it. Biochar is a type of charcoal that's created by burning organic matter like wood, manure or leaves in a process called pyrolysis. This process results in a stable form of carbon that's chock full of tiny, intricate pores. Imagine a sponge, but on a microscopic scale. These pores create a massive surface area that can hold onto water and nutrients like a magnet, preventing them from simply washing away with the next rain. Now think about your soil. It's full of essential nutrients that your crops need to grow. Things like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. But these nutrients are notorious for leaching away, particularly in sandy or heavily weathered soils. This is where biochar steps in. Its sponge-like structure holds onto these nutrients and keeps them in the soil, right where your crops can reach them. But that's not all. Biochar also has a positive charge, which means it can attract and hold on to negatively charged particles, like many essential plant nutrients. This further improves nutrient retention and availability for your crops. The result: healthier, more productive plants that are better able to withstand the stresses of drought and disease. And healthier plants mean a healthier planet, as they sequester more carbon and produce more oxygen. The science behind biochar is fascinating, isn't it? This remarkable substance is transforming agriculture as we know it, providing a sustainable solution to some of our most pressing environmental challenges. Stick around, as we'll break down the science behind it, and you'll see why farmers worldwide are adopting this green magic for their fields. Now let's dive into the heart of our discussion: the case studies. Let's take a journey around the world and see the remarkable transformations biochar has brought to farms and lives. First stop: the sun-drenched vineyards of California. Here, a vintner noticed his grapevines were struggling. Enter biochar. After incorporating it into a soil, he saw a significant improvement in the grape yield and quality. The vines were healthier, more robust, and the grapes, well, they were just divine. Now we jet off to the vast cornfields of Iowa. A farmer, intrigued by biochar, decided to give it a shot. The results: his corn plant soared, their stalks sturdier, their cobs plumper. The yield increased by an impressive 20%. The farmer was thrilled, and so were his cows, who got to feast on the surplus. Next we travel to the lush tea gardens of Assam, India. Here a tea planter was battling with acidic soil that was hampering the growth of his precious tea plants. He turned to biochar, which with its alkaline properties helped neutralize the soil acidity. The outcome: the tea leaves flourished, and the planter enjoyed a bountiful harvest, not to mention some really delicious tea. And finally, to the vibrant vegetable patches of Kenya. A group of smallholder farmers were dealing with poor soil fertility. After using biochar, they saw a remarkable improvement in their vegetable crops: bigger, healthier, more vibrant. Their income improved, and so did their lives. Each of these stories is a testament to the power of biochar. They showcase real people, real farms, and real transformations. Whether it's enhancing grape quality, boosting corn yield, neutralizing soil acidity for tea plants, or improving vegetable crop health, biochar is changing the game from increased yields to more resilient crops. These stories will inspire and show you the tangible impact Biochar can have on your farm. If you're finding this information valuable, drop a comment below. We're eager to hear your thoughts on Biochar and its potential in revolutionizing the agricultural landscape. Are you intrigued by the nutrient retention capabilities of Biochar? Or perhaps you're inspired by the case studies we've discussed, where farmers have reaped the benefits of this green magic. Maybe you've been using Biochar in your own garden and have some experiences to share. Whatever your thoughts, we want to hear from you. This is a space for all curious minds to share, learn and grow. Your input could spark a fresh topic for our next exploration, or help a fellow curious mind understand better. So don't hold back. Use the comment section to its full potential. Remember, every question, every thought, and every interaction counts. Your engagement fuels our curiosity journey. Now, let's talk about how Biochar plays a crucial role in improving soil health. It's more than just a nutrient boost for your crops. It's about creating an environment where your soil thrives. One of the key benefits of Biochar is its ability to improve soil structure. Think of Biochar as the architect of your soil, designing the perfect environment for your crops to flourish. It does this by increasing soil porosity, which in turn optimizes water retention and air circulation. You see the tiny pores in Biochar act like sponges, soaking up water during rains and releasing it during dry spells. This helps to create a more consistent moisture level in the soil, which plants absolutely love. But the benefits don't stop there. Biochar also helps to balance the pH level of the soil. If your soil is too acidic or too alkaline, it can inhibit nutrient absorption by your crops. But with Biochar, your soil's pH can be moderated towards the optimal level, creating more favorable conditions for nutrient uptake. Additionally, Biochar is a refuge for beneficial soil microorganisms. These tiny critters play a huge role in the soil food web, breaking down organic matter into nutrients that plants can absorb. By providing a safe haven for these microorganisms, Biochar helps to enhance the biological activity in the soil, leading to healthier and more productive crops. Lastly, Biochar is also a long-term investment in your soil. Unlike some other soil amendments that need to be reapplied every season, Biochar remains in the soil for hundreds or even thousands of years, continually enhancing soil health and productivity. So as you can see, Biochar is not just about supercharging your crops. It's about nurturing your soil, creating an environment where your crops and your soil can thrive together. Stay tuned for tips on integrating Biochar into your farming practices for long-term soil benefits. In our final stretch, we'll sum up the key takeaways and leave you with actionable insights to kickstart your Biochar journey. We've journeyed together through the incredible world of biochar in agriculture. We've seen how this miraculous substance can supercharge your crops by improving nutrient retention, and how it can transform your soil into a thriving, healthy environment. We've explored real-life case studies that showcase the significant impact Biochar has had on farming practices worldwide, from increased yields to more resilient crops. These stories are a testament to the fact that Biochar is not just a fad, but a game changer in sustainable agriculture. But remember, it's not just about immediate results. The beauty of Biochar lies in its long-term benefits to soil health. By integrating Biochar into your farming practices, you are not just improving your crops, you are nurturing an environment where your soil thrives, creating a sustainable cycle of productivity and health. As you embark on your Biochar journey, remember, it's all about curiosity and exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment, to challenge norms, and most importantly, to keep learning. Every step you take towards understanding and implementing Biochar is a step towards a more sustainable and productive future in agriculture. We hope this exploration has sparked your curiosity and equipped you with valuable insights. But our journey doesn't end here. There's a world of knowledge waiting to be uncovered, and we're here to guide you through it. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our fascinating explorations. Share this video with your fellow agriculture enthusiasts. Let's create a community of curious minds keen on transforming the future of agriculture. Your engagement and curiosity fuel our journey, and together we can explore, learn, and grow. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring with Curiosity Chronicles. Your support is the fertilizer to our channel needs to grow and blossom enthusiastically. Now, I know you've got questions, and we want to hear them. Drop your thoughts and inquiries in the comments below. This is a two-way street, and your engagement is like water to our content essential. Dive into the future of farming with biotechnology. If you're as pumped up as we are about this revolutionary approach, smash that like button. Don't be shy, share your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's build a knowledge garden that keeps on growing. And here's a challenge for you. Share this video with friends who need a dose of innovation in agriculture. Let's plant the seeds of knowledge and watch them bloom together. Ready to witness the evolution of farming? Hit like and join the discussion below. Your questions and insights fuel the momentum of this channel. Let's plant the seeds of knowledge and watch them bloom together. Inspirational tone. The future of farming is here, and your engagement is the driving force behind it. Like if you believe in the power of biotechnology, comment your burning questions, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Let's harvest a community passionate about sustainable and high-tech agriculture. Be a catalyst for change in agriculture. Hit that like button, ask your burning questions, and share this video to inspire others. Biotechnology is the future, and together, we're sowing the seeds of progress. Let's cultivate a community that believes in innovation and sustainability.